Yo, what's going on? We back at you with the back at you. This is the dry heat back to school review, right?
Yeah.
Y'all know what it is. Boy TK. I'm also with my daughter, my co-host Aryana. She's actually going into the 4th grade tomorrow. Yes, I know it's July. She goes to a year-round school, so she gets a lot of breaks throughout the year periodically. So
Lots.
yeah. So I'm hoping everybody is okay. Happy, well, sad day for you because you're going back to school. But happy summer to everybody else. She don't want to go back to school. Hope everybody's having a great summer vacation as we are turning the page to 4th grade. How do you feel about going to 4th grade?
I feel I'm excited, but at the same time, I don't want to go because I don't have one of those long breaks that go back in August, October, September, stuff like that.
Got you. So,
which is sad, but I got it out in May.
I mean, you got out in May, go back in July, and then you have like 2 weeks in October.
Yeah.
You have 2.5 weeks in December, and then like when everybody gets like spring break, everybody gets like a week. She gets like 2 weeks and like 2 days.
Yeah.
So it balances itself out throughout the year. She gets long breaks. So
But
4th
after that, I
grade.
feel good.
Yeah, that's what's up. 4th grade. But enough of that. Enough of us talking about what we've been doing this past summer and what we're going to do in the future, which is tomorrow when she's going back to school. Let's get into this shoe review. So first is first. We're going to go with
My PE shoes.
our PE shoes. PE is the easy grade for me. You know what I'm saying? So talk to them. So which ones we going after? Bam! We're gonna go with the Racer TR23K. These are. I have the box right here. They don't have any colors. They just say the Racer TR23K. So obviously you can see it. They have like a fluorescent the stripes. So it's like a changing color pearl.
Like shiny.
Called pearl. That's what it's called. Gray with a pink. As you can see it, the pink already.
I like the bottom.
She likes the bottom is fire. I will say that the bottom is fire. So besides PE, do you see that rocking with any of your outfits?
Well, gray, brown, black. Well, not brown.
Brown. What?
But they match with anything. So since my school uniform is red, blue, and like a tan, I think it would probably go really good. And then the red will probably end up going with the pink matching after all.
Yeah, just, event. You ain't gotta be too matchy.
Yeah.
So, I feel you. Yeah. Those what's up.
Because you don't want to be the same color. It's not.
Yeah, so she has to wear uniforms when she goes to school too, by the way. I like the uniforms thing because it's not like, not everybody is privileged to have what everybody else has. So you're not making fun of somebody wearing their clothes or certain brands, which is crazy anyway. You wear what your parents can afford anyway. So with uniforms, I think it's dope. Me personally. And they're actually not expensive. I mean, you go to Old Navy, you go to
Children's Place.
Yeah. So just khaki polos. You can wear white polo, blue polo, navy blue, and red. That's it.
But one thing I think that is bogus is that, like, if it's anything black, you can't wear it.
Yeah, they don't like black polos. So. But yeah, I think these are super dope. What do you think? This is definitely a PE shoe.
Yeah,
athletic.
they're really comfortable.
Yeah.
Very.
So she is a cheerleader and a volleyball player. So this is something we can rock in your volleyball too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, the Adidas. So the first one she always goes with Adidas when it comes to PE.
Yeah. I have some pink ones that are really good for PE that I wore last year, and there are these gray ones that are just like those, just black and gray. Really, really, really good.
And then so the number 2 shoe is the OG. She calls it, boom, the Panda Dunks. This is her 3rd pair of Panda Dunks. She loves Panda Dunks.
They're just like, they're natural. They
It's the
match
new
with
Air
anything,
Force One. It's the new Air Force One.
technically.
Yeah, it's the new Air Force One. I bought her first Pandas when Pandas came out really hot, and she didn't like them. Don't ask me why. And then she went to school. Dad, can I have a pair of Pandas? I said, I bought you Pandas. You didn't want to wear them.
They were like so famous, but I didn't know that because I was little.
But don't want to pay attention to the sneakerhead as your dad. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can see the sneakers behind me. You would think, all right, I'm gonna listen to my dad. My dad's the expert when it comes to sneaker stuff.
But now I have a lot of shoes.
You got a lot of shoes, and you got 3. This is your second pair of Pandas. So you have the other pairs, and then
but my other pairs, they don't have because they're dirty.
Yeah, she trashed the other Pandas.
I'm not good with white.
Yeah, so you know what it is,
but I'm
man.
gonna try.
Y'all know what it is with a Panda. It's black and white, natural. A lot of people don't like them. A lot of people do like them. They're simple. I feel like if you like Pandas, you like your sneakers the way you like your sneakers. It is what it is. I know they are popular, man, produce like crazy. But you like what you like. You wear what you like. So, and that's what I like about my daughter. My daughter, she does her own thing. She wears what she wants to wear. We already seen the Panda, so we already know what that's about. Then number 3 will go. These are fire. They're
like really neon.
These are fire. You're probably gonna say that she already has this colorway because we did another shoe review with this colorway, but go ahead, show 'em. These are fire. These are like
I'm gonna stand out in these.
Yeah, most definitely.
Because everybody in my school only wears like Pandas because it matches. It doesn't match, but like it goes with the school color since it's black and white and our other school colors. It just goes right. But these, I'm about to pop out like a shiny diamond. You're about to
Sometimes
see
you gotta pop out and show. But yeah, man, these are. I gotta figure out the color for these.
These are pretty, and they're really comfortable.
Let's see. They are white mint foam. White and mint foam. So you already have the Jordan 1 mint. Mm-hmm. She likes girly colors, which is dope. I think girl colors are dope. So these are fire, though.
Very.
And I hate to say it, and yes, she's 8 grown. She's gonna be 9 next month. She's gonna tear these joints up. I will say that. But she's a kid. That's what kids do. That's what shoes are for. Shoes are meant to be worn. So these are fire. I love the color. If these came in the size 13, I would cop.
Yeah.
I would cop.
We would be matching every single day.
Yeah, because these are fire. I love them. It's such a clean. And it makes the silhouette even look better, in my opinion, especially with that color. I think they're dope.
They're amazing. And they're really comfortable.
So, let's rank her shoes. And then I have a shoe review that I'm going to do, since I'm doing a shoe with my daughter. So, ranking, what would you do? So
if you had
go 1, 2, and 3. So, rank them.
If you had to pick between 3 shoes, which one would you pick?
Let us know in the comments.
2 or 3.
Let us know in the comments which one you pick. Also, please like and subscribe.
Yeah. Please like and subscribe
to the channel.
And also, like and subscribe.
Hit that thumbs up.
Hit the thumbs up too. But also, like to subscribe on my... Basically, today was a little bit of like a glow up look for my lips and lashes, and then tomorrow's my get ready with me for school.
Oh yeah.
So y'all need to. It's gonna be posted.
I'll put the link in description of her TikTok.
And shout out to my best friend. So you're gonna put her TikTok too.
Yeah.
Cause she's an editor and. She may not be the best, but she's really good. She's amazing. Okay, like she may not know like what to post some days, but let me just say, she is an amazing editor. Like, y'all wanna go check her out almost every single day, cause she posts new videos every single day.
She's pretty dope at editing.
She is.
I would give it to her. Shout out to Sophia and the family. But here's my here's my sneaker review. This is super, like, this one's like kind of like, it's not even kind of, it's actually near and dear to my heart, because I am a girl dad. Obviously you can see him sitting next to my daughter, and I am from South Jersey, Philadelphia. I'm a Philadelphia native, and a big Kobe fan. I'm not a Laker fan, I'm a Sixers fan, get that right. 4 for 4, Philly all day, every day, you know what I'm saying? We got the boom, girl dad, protro, I can't even think of the name. The protro, was it protro?
Today, Junior.
Obviously, I can't say it.
I can't talk either.
I can't talk to that. I'm sorry. So these are the Kobe 4s, the protros. These are super dope. As you can see, they have like the mirrors on it. I love this colorway. This is actually, you know, as you know, Kobe passed away about 2 years ago. Kobe was a girl dad, and our condolences to his family and the other 6 people that were in that tragic accident that day. With that being said, though, this is a super dope colorway, because this was like the same. This is like the last time you've seen Kobe and Gigi. How me and my daughter are next to each other, vibing out on a video. Actually, they were at Lakers game, and so the outside of it is the Eagle colorway, which he was rocking the Eagles beanie. I'll put that image right up there, and then the inside of it was with the orange, because he was wearing a WNBA sweater. And the combination is super dope with the black shoestrings. Also has the girl dad on the tongue, on the back of the tongue, which that's something I take personal, because I am a girl dad. I love being a girl dad. This is my pride and joy right here. But yeah, man, as you can see it on the box right here, bicoastal black, bicoastal Noir. I don't even know what black. I don't even know what that is. Bicoastal Noir. Well, I know Noir is black, obviously. But yeah, I will say, if you do wear a size 13, try to see if you can get a half size bigger, because man, these kind of killing the tip of my toes. I will say that, tip of my toes. These are super dope though. I think once you start wearing them, they're gonna just, you know, mold to your feet, just like every other shoe. It takes some time to break into kicks. The suede is crazy on it. Look, let me see. I'm not even doing it justice. Look at the suede. Look at that suede. Suede is butter. Look at that suede. But yeah, man. So that was our shoe review. Dry heat with the girl dad, obviously me, TK, with my daughter Aryana. Yeah, well, you already said your little piece, whatever. You got anything? You got any say in your chest moments, or you know, anything for the people? Say besides have a great day, or have a happy Sunday, by the way. No, she doesn't.
I don't know.
Anyway, well, we hope you have a great week. It's Sunday. I'm probably gonna premiere this on Monday, so people can watch this on Monday. And also put some clips of her getting ready for school. So yeah, we appreciate you. Peace and love. We the Kincaids, and we are
out.